हाय,
हॅलो,
गुड मॉर्निंग.
व्हेरी गुड मॉर्निंग.
आमचे विद्यार्थी आज अ फीस्ट इन द फॉरेस्ट ही गोष्ट प्रेझेंट करून दाखवणार आहेत. लेट स्टार्ट.
We are presenting the story of fish in the forest. I am a giraffe in the story. I am the crow in the story. I am the squirrel and monkeys and elephant. The story. I am a rabbit in the story. I am a bird in the story. I am a rat in the story. Today we are celebrating Forest Day. Bring your food items for the feast. I have carrots, let us make halwa. We have fruit to make juice. I have green leafy vegetables to make soup. I have tomatoes, brinjals and pulses to make sambar. I have rice and dal to make it. I want to make andhras and puri. Which things do I need? Mangoes and jaggery. I have onions and cucumbers to make salad.
They had a great feast. All the animals and birds enjoyed it.
This is a halwa. It's sweet. This is the idli sambar. Wow, in the tasty. This is a porantu. Yeah, I like it. This is a salad. Oh no, it's little salty. This is amras. Yummy. This is the soup. Oh, it's hot.
व्हेरी गुड बाळानो, सुपर्ब. आमच्या बाळांनी अ फीस्ट इन द फॉरेस्ट या गोष्टीचं केलेलं प्रेझेंटेशन तुम्हाला कसं वाटलं आम्हाला कमेंट करून नक्की कळवा.